Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to your doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is rod-shaped bacteria are known as A. cocci, B. bacilli, C. spirilla, and D. none of these. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is curved screw-shaped bacteria are known as A. cocci, B. bacilli, C. spirilla, and D. none of these. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is, and many bacterial cell wall is enclosed within a simple capsule made up of A. polysaccharides, B. cellulose, C. amino acid, and D. protein. So the correct option is A. polysaccharides. The next MCQ is the DNA of the bacterium is present in distinct region called A. nucleolus, B. centrosome, C. Nucleide, and D. nucleus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the cellular DNA of a bacterium is known as the A. plasmid, B. gene, C. chromosome, and D. histone. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the bacteria can cope unfavorable condition by producing A. mesosome, B. zygospores, C. endospores, and D. cysts. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the cell membrane of a bacterial cell often invaginates to produce membranous structure referred to as A. centrosomes, B. mesosomes, C. dictysomes, and D. polysomes. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is mitosis can't take place in bacteria because they lack A. chromosome, B. nucleus, C. Centrosome, and D. mesosome. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is apparently which bacteria is more resistant to antibiotics? A. Gram-positive bacteria, B. Gram-negative bacteria, C. Both A and B. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.